Hello, everybody. We got the Dollar Holiday Edition cash explosion, starting with 25. We'll end with 14. I got a feeling I should have got the rest of the book, but I didn't. So let's see what we get. $1, 500, 5, 2, $1. Is it? Yes, it is. There's a $1 winner. Ticket number 25. $1, $2, $2, $20, $20, $1. Entry, 20, 1, 20, and a 1. $22, entry, 22, entry. Nope, 2. It's a $2 winner, guys. Honestly, I was not expecting that to be a winner. $1, 20, 1, 20, 2, and 2. $500, 50, 2, 50, 2, 500. Two, 5, 50, entry, 5, entry. $20, 1, 1, 2, 20. It's probably a 2. Nope, entry. I was wrong on that one, guys, but it's still a loser. So number 17, probably a winner. 20, 2, 1, 2, 20, nope, 1. Yep, $2 winner. See, like I said, patterns. These tickets are predictable. You just gotta scratch enough of them to know the pattern. Five, 2, 500, 5, 10, 20. $20, 2, 1, 2, 1, 20. Nope, 10. Alright, and now we got the final ticket, number 14. Last winner was on 17. It's probably a loser, but it may possibly surprise us. 5, 5, 50, 2, 50, 2. Like I said, probably a loser. So, out of 10 tickets, we got 3 winners. Not bad. 2, 4, $5. We got half back, guys. Almost. We actually done 12 tickets. But we'll leave it at half back. It's the Ohio Lottery, so it's not bad. See everybody later. And watch Cash Explosion tonight. See if they draw my name. I think I got like 12 or 13 entries in there tonight.